Okay, so my microwave is so old that the popcorn button burns popcorn, and the 2 minute marker for popcorn undercooks it. But do you want to know what the magic number for filling the fucking popcorn bag is? I bet you do. It's my favorite fucking holiday. Fucking. Eh. But not only do you have to do the 420, you have to do it twice. So 420 blaze it 2 times, and then you got popcorn. And some of you may be like, well, Gabriel, why don't you just make it 840 and call it a day? And I'm just like, I tried that. It burnt the fuck out. And even then, you might get like a shit ton of little kernels and be like, well, fuck it. I guess the electricity was fluctuating, so popcorn is a no. On an unrelated note, I put no suiza in ramen because I wanted a chicken noodle soup, but with shrimp. Sometimes I think I should import some of my Snapchats into Vines, but like, some of them you can't fit into 6 seconds, so those don't get put in at all. Fuck yeah. Yoshi. This is so retro as fuck. About to drop a rhyme from a beat, lost in time from a nigga Yoshi, the green one like a lime. If you don't know his name, well, my, that's a shame, cause you done fucked up and you now lost the game.